To convert multiple images into a single PDF in Windows, follow these steps. First of all, select the images you want to convert to PDF. Then, right-click on any of the selected images. From these options, click on Show More options. Then from these options, click on Print. Now, in this window, from the drop-down list under Printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF. From here select the paper size you prefer. From here, set the quality. Now, in the below, remove check mark from this box towards Fit Picture to From. From here, you can select the number of images per page. To set the page as landscape or portrait, click on this link here options. Now, in this window, click here Printer Properties. In the next window, you can set the page as portrait or landscape. Then click OK. Now, click Print. Select the location you want to save the PDF. Type here the name of the new PDF. Then click Save. OK. Now the images have been converted to a PDF. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by TechBee. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for the latest updates.